Cooking mastery, genius hacks to save time, hassle, and money in the kitchen. Utilize a wine bottle in lieu of a rolling pin. No rolling pin? Use a wine bottle with its tapered handle for pizza dough or pastries, suggested by Baldwin. Keep it clean, roll as usual, but use sparingly due to its shorter length. If this becomes a frequent solution, consider investing in a proper rolling pin for your kitchen. Remove garlic skins by shaking them inside a jar. Baldwin attests to its effectiveness, sharing that prep cooks in restaurants often use this method. Simply place garlic cloves in a jar or between two small inverted metal bowls, shake vigorously, and enjoy perfectly peeled garlic without the lingering smell on your fingers. Utilize dental floss for slicing cheese or cutting baked goods. Dental floss, especially the plain, waxed variety, is an effective tool for cleanly slicing creamy foods like cheesecake or goat cheese. It's also recommended for softer items like cinnamon rolls, preventing smushing during the cutting process. Use a cooling rack for dicing or mashing. Baldwin recommends using a grid cooling rack for mashing or pureeing when a uniform, cleanly sliced appearance is not crucial. This hack not only breaks down the food but also offers a peeling bonus. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.